At a time when countries are rethinking how to measure success in the fight against corruption, one message stood out at the meeting. Effectiveness is not only about how many cases are detected or resolved, but also about the level of public trust in the system and anti-corruption efforts. Experts see that public trust is central to the effectiveness of anti-corruption agencies.
I think that public trust is very important to every anti-corruption agency because public trust is a determining factor for the member of the public to decide whether they will come forth to an anti-corruption agency when they encounter corruption issues in their daily lives. So in turn, the public trust will affect the effectiveness of the anti-corruption agency's work.
If they are focused only on performance, do not take into consideration on the public trust and public confidence, the organization may have a problem of perceived to be not effective. Many cases I found that, and even in my study, a lot of law enforcement and anti-corruption agency who enjoy public trust in a very high level, they can get cooperation from the public. Whistleblower can come to them and give a lot of good quality information or allegation against corruption offences.
In Bhutan, public confidence in the Anti-Corruption Commission has gradually declined over the years. According to the National Integrity Assessment 2025, while 85% of respondents still consider anti-corruption efforts to be generally effective, however, the proportion of people rating the Commission as doing very well has steadily decreased between 2012 and 2025. The Commission attributes this trend to awareness about the Commission varying significantly among the general public.
In terms of public trust, if you really look at the complaints trends that 𝗍𝗂𝗏 have been receiving over the years, you can see that there is increasing trend in the complainants that come with their identity. So that only shows that there is confidence and trust in the way the 𝗍𝗂𝗏 handles complaints and the way 𝗍𝗂𝗏 ensures the confidentiality of whatever they have reported. So in that way, we can say that 𝗍𝗂𝗏 may not be meeting the fullest expectations of the people, but at the same time, I think 𝗍𝗂𝗏 is progressing gradually to meet the expectations of the people.
Over the next 2 days, the meeting will focus on enhancing political finance transparency and exploring the use of artificial intelligence in corruption detection and prevention. The 3-day meeting brings together 34 international delegates representing 15 corruption agencies across Asia, along with representatives from regional organizations, academia, and Bhutan's national institutions. 𝗥𝗲𝗴𝗶𝗵𝗺, BBS News.